What's good, YouTube? Here today's trade recap. We're up $132 on the day. Uh, Yesterday I didn't trade, so we don't have anything there. I wasn't liking any setups. I know there was a 30-second, but hey, we ain't worried about that right now. We worried about what we got going on today. Unfortunately, I did not get a really. This is kind of like a break-even trade. I had like $1,000 take profit, but I ended up moving my stop loss and I got stop rated, or not stop rated, but like it hit my or swept my stop loss and then fucking flew to take profit, which is unfortunate, but it's fine. I'll show you guys the trade I took. So here's the trade. It would have top tick, like literally like perfect TP. Um, but yeah, I'll show you guys what I was seeing pre-market first. So first we were on this candle, obviously. I was a little bearish today, I'm not gonna lie. It was kind of dumb to be bearish. I know we had this 4 hour gap below us, but I was thinking we might have inversed it and got these draws here. I think this was a 4 hour, might have been just a 1 hour gap, I'm not sure, but I thought we might have come down to here. But we also had a daily gap, which I don't know why I even said I was bearish too off of the daily gap. It's kind of retarded, but whatever. Obviously, price was drawn to that. But the bias wasn't a big reason as to why like things didn't play out today how I wanted it to. It's more or less just myself. But I took a good trade. If we go down to the 5 minute here, so market open, we were chopping hella right here, and then we dropped down, which is honestly just manipulation, sweeping some liquidity, tapped into this 4 hour gap, and then my mentor did take this 1 minute inverse, which I could have taken, but I was just worried about this 5 minute gap. I thought we're gonna bounce out and then or bounce up, hit this gap, and then continue flooding down. With I had a bias of bearish, unfortunately, but this play happened. I didn't take the 5 minute inverse. I really wasn't like too keen on just entering off that. So price ended up going up hella high, and I was like, I'm gonna wait for the pullback. So we had a 5 minute pullback into this fair value gap here. We were coming down, and then we got some strong delivery and with a 5 minute pullback. Then we inverse this 1 minute. I entered off this, and of course, we start to chop. Unfortunate price action. It is what it is. I held it. I stand on my toes, and I was like, I'm confident in this trade. And we climbed up hella. We came down, and I ended up moving my stop loss from break even to like right below this gap, and I got wicked out. I shouldn't have did that. I should have just stayed break even, because even if I were to lose, I don't lose anything. And all that happened here was a 5 minute pullback. So we had the 5 minute pullback, and then we ran to take profit. So even though it was like a top tick, like perfect TP, it still would have hit if I just followed what I was following before and stuck to my guns basically. But obviously that didn't play out. Oh, another reason why I was bearish on the day too is if we go back here, we did have a 15-minute SMT from like at the time it was like here to like I think like here or some shit like that. Or no, it was this. Let me just It was that, I believe. We got that 15-minute SMT, bearish, and yeah, obviously it didn't hold, which is fine. But technically, I didn't lose today. I didn't lose today. I actually won $132. I'd rather be up 132 than down 132. So yeah. With that being said, that is my trade recap for today. Let me know how your guys' day went. Whatever you guys took. Were you biased? What was your bias? Longs or shorts? Yeah. But I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.